We are going to start our online dictation batch on April 22. If you want to join, then you can direct message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The 21st century has created many new complications that the world has never seen before. We are starting from global warming, environmental degradation, pollution, etc. One significant crisis the world faces now is the threat due to the internet. Neither of our data is secured, and we all live in a transparent world with our information being monitored by some random person. On the other hand, the recent issue that society is facing is an addiction to social networking sites. Social networking sites are an excellent platform for connecting us worldwide. To be honest, the advantages of social networking sites outweigh the disadvantages. However, just like a coin have two sides, social networking sites also share advantages and disadvantages with society. Along with the advantages, there are also many disadvantages of social networking sites. Therefore, knowing about both is essential to ensure the use of networking sites correctly. Social networking sites are very beneficial in today's world. The advancement of communication is primarily geared towards social networking sites. Indeed, social networking sites are a massive success as they connect people worldwide. Moreover, it acts as a platform for people to express their feelings and thoughts. Having influenced billions of people, it simultaneously has too many advantages and disadvantages. Let us surf through the benefits now. It is one of the most obvious advantages of social networking sites. It connects people worldwide and gives a feeling of being close to them despite the distance. Moreover, it allows you to connect with people you like and share your political outlook. Social networking sites created a breakthrough in the field of information sharing. Gone are the days when we needed to wait for a letter to arrive and reply to the sender. Instead, the process of sharing information has become super easy. With a click, you can connect to your loved ones. Moreover, sharing information with many people is possible only through social networking sites. A single post can reach billions of people within an instant. It plays a leading role in providing new employment avenues. Many new and lucrative job opportunities have come up due to the rise of social media marketing. Also, job seekers can now submit their resumes or directly communicate with the company owners about their qualities. Many growing entrepreneurs solely depend on social networking sites to market and advertise their products. Furthermore, they even rely upon these sites to provide customer service. In short, social networking sites act as a tool to promote and function businesses. Although it has several peculiar advantages, there are concerns that social networking sites are used for illegal purposes. More than that, it addicts youngsters mainly and leads to significant problems. These are some of the disadvantages of social networking sites. All of a sudden, when the youth gets access to social media sites, they are carried away by the exposure. Eventually, that leads to spending more time than necessary. The purpose of social networking sites is to share information and stay connected. However, most people drawn in the world of illusion and forget the real world outside. Addiction also leads to many health ailments. Also, social networking sites provide undesirable content that lures youngsters, especially. Our information is never discreet on social networking sites. We are being monitored in the back end, though our history and activities is end to end encrypted. This makes social networking sites unreliable for our private information. Furthermore, cyberbullying takes place mostly on social media sites. Many fraudulent scams occur with these sites, and millions of people fall victim to them every day. Students are the ace victims of the adverse effects of social networking sites. It is evident from surveys that students who achieve lower grades are too often addicted to social networking sites. It distracts their concentration and focuses from academics, leading them to perform poorly. Though there are plenty of social networking sites, only a few are widely used by people. The primary reason is the trust and convenience these well known sites provide. Of course, we cannot be without mentioning Mark Zuckerberg, as he is the man to lay the foundation for social networking sites. The most prominent social networking site right now is Facebook. It is established at the beginning of the evolution of social networking sites. Billions of users use Facebook to connect with their loved ones and share daily information. It is the most trusted platform by people all over the globe. Instagram is the second largest social networking site, and Facebook owns it. The main attraction of Instagram is young people. Unlike Facebook, a survey tells that the youth use Instagram more than Facebook, and the old vice versa. It has many features just like Facebook, which makes it the direct competitor of FB. Twitter is commonly used to have official arguments and comments. Facebook and Instagram are considered to have more fun features compared to Twitter. However, Twitter holds the trust of many celebrities and political figures to share their words. LinkedIn has become a modern resume for people nowadays. All of the job related posts are shared publicly on LinkedIn. It is a great platform to connect with people in higher positions without taking their appointment. When we talk about social networking sites, WhatsApp can never be neglected. It is used by billions of people and acts as personal and professional platform. Students use this platform to communicate with fellow mates. WhatsApp is yet another venue owned by Facebook. Overall, social networking sites are both our boon and bane. It is the sole responsibility of an individual to use it for good. At the same time, we must not let it control our activities. We must know how to use social networking sites for promotion and development. Always trust social networking sites that are acknowledged all over the globe. It will ensure that your activities and information are most probably secure enough. Indeed, social networking sites are a gold mine for development and growth, both personal and professional. Stop. Thank you.